In a chaotic world where information is pouring in and the speed of life is becoming more and more aggressive, it is especially important to find points of support. Simplicity is one of them, not as a refusal to develop, but as a path to clarity, stability, and freedom. 1. The art of simplification. Cut out the noise. We are used to looking for meaning in addition, things, knowledge, experience. But often true understanding comes at the moment of subtraction. By removing the unnecessary, we do not lose, but return control and inner clarity. Practice. Once a week, take an inventory of tasks and thoughts. What do you do out of inertia? What drains you? Remove at least one thing, one obligation, one thought that no longer serves you. Live by the principle, less is deeper. 2. Balance as an act of art. Balance is not an equilibrium between extremes, but the ability to be at the right point at the right time. This is a dynamic state, similar to a dance, in which it is important not to freeze, but to move with conscious ease. Practice. Listen to your body. Fatigue is a signal, not a hindrance. A break is part of the movement, not its absence. Build a micro-pause into your day. 3 minutes of silence. No screen, no tasks. Just be. Keep an energy diary. At what moments are you on the rise? At what moments are you exhausted? 3. Acceptance as the basis of strength. Modern culture is obsessed with growth. But real growth begins not with effort, but with acceptance. Accepting your weaknesses does not mean losing, but starting to manage them. Acceptance is not capitulation, but a starting point. Practice. Write letters to yourself, from your current self to your vulnerable self. Find meaning in imperfection. A mistake is not a collapse, but feedback. Evaluate progress, not in comparison with others, but by the awareness of your steps. 4. Live in sufficiency. The world constantly offers more, faster, higher. But Arianic teaches another vector, to depth. Enough is not a refusal, but liberation from insatiability. Practice. Introduce the rule. One new thing, one given. Ask, do I really need this or my ego? Keep a list of gratitude for the simple things that you already have. Conclusion. Simplicity is not the opposite of wealth, but its new form. A life filled with meaning is not necessarily complicated. Sometimes you just need to take a step back, to feel the flow and get back on its wave. Inner strength and self-awareness. The strength that they talk about in Arianic is not rough energy, not dominance, and not the will to win. It is an internal setting, vibration, calm confidence. This is the power of silence, choice, observation. It is not visible, but felt. 1. The source of strength is awareness. Real strength is born when a person stops running from himself, when he is able to be alone with himself, without panic, without distractions. At this point, stability appears. It is not loud, but unbreakable. Practice have 5 minutes of silence in the morning. Without tasks, just be in yourself. Ask yourself a simple question. What am I really feeling right now? Use breathing as an anchor. Slowly, deeply, consciously. 2. Emotional stability skills. Emotions are not enemies, but signals. Inner strength is not the suppression of emotions, but the ability to work with them. A conscious person is not afraid of fear, anxiety, sadness. He knows how to meet them, explore, and let go. Practice. When a strong emotion comes, don't get distracted, but ask, what does it want to say? Written emotional flow. Splash everything out on paper without censorship. Body practice. Find where anxiety or tension lives in the body. Breathe there. 3. Forming an inner core. Life will change. People come and go. Conditions are unstable. But you can have an inner core, a point of peace that you can rely on in any conditions. This is your true strength. Practice. Define your three main values. Repeat them like a mantra. Find actions that strengthen your core. Walking, reading, meditation, sports. Create a reboot ritual, a set of habits that you return to in a crisis. 4. Strength through connection with the flow. When you are in the flow, there is no need to fight. You move. Inner strength in Irenic is not a victory over circumstances, but the art of being in resonance with reality. Practice. Feel the signals. Where intuition leads, where ease arises. Learn to let go. Not everything needs to be controlled. Practice gratitude not for the result, but for the path itself. Conclusion. Your strength is not outside. It is already inside. Arionic helps not to create it, but to reveal it, layer by layer, awareness by awareness. And when you truly feel it, there will be no need to fight. You will simply move in your rhythm, in your flow.